Grade 1 have been exploring Cambodia and its beauties. Cambodia has an incredible history. Some of you know about the pyramids in Egypt. Well, Cambodia has a very amazing ancient civilization as well, and it's called Angkor Wat. One of the ways 1MLN have been learning about it is we've typed in Angkor Wat on our iPads, and we've explored the temples and the city that once was an incredible kingdom. You can see it has a moat around the outside. Each of these are photos which help us to explore more about the amazing city of Angkor Wat. We have also zoomed out and looked at all the photo opportunities around the outside of the kingdom. Angkor Wat is quite an amazing place. So we have had a look on Google Earth and really explored. Then we have also looked at some of the photos that we have printed out, looking at these incredible ancient temples. I do wonder how these were built, and I also wonder why they were built. Who lived there? I wonder why many of them have these faces. That's very interesting. I also notice that a lot of them are covered in these very large tree vines, very large. A person is only that big. You might have been told that Angkor Wat was once covered in vines and forest, and nobody even knew it was there. People are wondering why the people that used to live in this kingdom stopped living there. I wonder what created a situation where they left. Look at this one. They have lots of faces, and each of these is a large piece of stone. This one is going to be my inspiration for today's artwork. This is the temple of Angkor Wat. I'm going to take this and try and recreate this artwork. This is a photo. I've done it for you already to start with. But my first step was to sketch it. I tried to sketch a similar piece of artwork. I've sketched trees and the basics of the temple. Once I had finished that, I added detail using a nice black marker. In this case, I used this marker. I didn't color in too much other than the dark areas. You can see now it's not looking like this because I'm not copying, it was just inspiration. Once I had done this, this might take me 2 lessons. I tried to get a lot of detail in here. This is a reflection in the water. Then I am going to take dye. Just for this example, I'm using just brown and yellow. And I'm going to consider very carefully which paintbrushes I use. Should I use a thin one, a medium size, a thick round one, or a thick flat one? Considering your paintbrushes when you're an artist is important. And then I'm going to take this dye, it's not paint, and take my time to paint, to dye over top of my Angkor Wat inspired artwork. I think I'm going to try and make a sunset in the back and try and make this look like a reflection in the lake. I hope you enjoy being inspired by me and creating your own.